The weather's warming up and it's time to get started. To get started on my grass plugs, I have my Snapback Tall Fescue blend with No Net and Bar Robusto Tall Fescue. I like to mix a little bit of the Hybrix fertilizer with the soil conditioner that I use in the pots. To do this, I simply use a bucket to mix it all together. Then it becomes easy to scoop out and put in the pots. Since it is a little bit early to start this, I'm only going to mix up a few pots. Learning from previous experience, I tend to go a little bit heavier on the seed for each pot. I will likely be starting more pots in a couple weeks. The cider grow will help stimulate root growth. Watering will be as needed to keep the soil moist. I only needed a little bit of the cider grow, so I'm going to use the rest of the mixture on my shrubs. The prep is now complete. I will work on small areas of Poa trivialis a little bit at a time. This little spot will get the first set of plugs. Using the Pro Plugger for this process really does make the job that much easier. So that's really all there is to it. It's a really easy process. So now all there is to do is wait for germination and continue to water. It's probably a little bit too early to start right now, but the reason I'm doing this video is because I wanted to show you all in case it's something that you're interested in, and you can go ahead and get the materials that you need so you're ready to rock and roll when the temperature is right. And because it's early, the day temperatures are warm, but the nights are still dropping pretty low, and I need to keep that soil temperature around 55 to help that germinate. So I'm gonna pull those pots in on a nightly basis into the garage, and periodically I'm gonna go ahead and stick a heating mat under there to help with the germination.